Blackbird, blackbird in a cage. There's something wrong tonight. Far off the sheriff's footfall dies. The minutes crawl like last year's flies between the bars, and like an age the hours are long tonight. The sky is like a heavy lid out there beyond the door tonight. What's that? A mutter down the street. What's that? The sounds of yells and feet. For what you didn't do or did, you'll pay the score tonight. No use to reek with reddened sweat. No use to whimper and to sweat. They've got the rope, they've got the guns, they've got the courage and the guns. And that's the reason why tonight, no use to ask them anymore. They'll fire the answer through the door. You're out to die tonight. There, where the lonely crossroad lies, there is no place to make replies, but silence, inch by inch, is there, and the right limb for a lynch is there. And a lean door waits for both your eyes, blackbird. Perhaps you'll meet again someplace. Look for the mask upon the face. That's the way you'll know them there, a white mask to hide the face. And you can halt and show them there the things that they are deaf to now, and they can tell you what they meant to wash the blood with blood. But how if you are innocent? Blackbird singer, blackbird mute, they choke the seed you might have found. Out of a thorny field you go, for you it may be better so, and leave the sowers of the ground to eat the harvest of the fruit, blackbird.